Good morning, everyone! This is your teacher, Sam, and welcome to our virtual class. Watch closely and listen carefully to our lesson for today. Are you ready? Let's go! Now that we have learned addition, let's move on to our lesson subtracting numbers with a minuend 100 or less, no regrouping, and with regrouping. We are also going to learn the relationship between addition and subtraction. First, let's learn about subtracting numbers with minuend 100 or less without regrouping. Let's learn the basics of subtraction. What is subtraction? This is the process of taking one number away from another. This is the sign for a subtraction. This is called minus. Minus. For example, we have here 33 minus 13 is equal to 20. 33 is the base number. This is called minuend. Minuend. And 13 is the number you're going to take away from the first number. This is called subtrahend. Subtrahend. And the answer is 20. 20 is called difference. Difference. For example, Martin has 37 sweets. He ate 12 of them. How many sweets are left? Find the number of sweets he has left by subtraction. This is the number sentence. 37 minus 12 equals blank. Let's find the difference. We can answer this by doing the figure. So please first use the figure of the minuend. So we have 37 sweets. It's going to be 3 tens and 7 ones. Now, we're going to subtract the subtrahend, which is 12, meaning that's 1 10 and 2 ones. Now let's try it. Let's take out 1 tens and 2 ones. What is left? Yes, you're right. It's only 25. So there are only 25 sweets left. That's 2 tens and 5 ones. We can also answer by using the column subtraction. You remember how we use the column addition, right? So it's the same thing with subtraction. So first, let's put the minuend 37 minus the subtrahend 12 and the equal sign. Step 1. Let's put the tens and ones place. First, for the minuend. 3 7, 3 tens, and 7 ones. For the subtrahend, 1 tens and 2 ones. Now 7 ones minus 2 ones is equal to 5 ones. You're right. So write 5 in the ones place. Step number 2. Let's do the tens place. 3 tens minus 1 tens equals 2 tens. Write 2 in the tens place. Therefore, 37 minus 12 is equal to 25. One more example. Find the difference of 35 and 21. Number sentence, it's going to be 35 minus 21 equals blank. Let's answer this using the figure. So first, let's use the minuend, which is 35. 3 tens and 5 ones. Now let's subtract the subtrahend, which is 21. 2 tens and 1 ones. Now what is left? Yes, you're right. We have 1/10 and 4 ones, and that is 14. Let's answer this using the column subtraction. 35 minus 21. First, step 1. 5 ones minus 1 ones equals 4 ones. Write 4 in the ones place. Step number 2. 3 tenths minus 2 tenths equals 1 tenth. Write 1 in the tens place. Let's learn subtracting numbers with a minuend less than 100 with regrouping. For example, there are 30 students. 6 of them are boys. How many girls are there? Find the number of girls by subtraction. This is the number sentence. 30 minus 6 equals blank. Now let's answer using figure. First, we have our minuend. We have 3 tenths for 30. Now let's try to subtract the subtrahend, which is 6. So that's going to be 6 ones. As you see in the figure, we don't have ones here. We only have tenths. So what we're going to do is we're going to regroup the 1/10 into 10 ones. So it's going to be 2 tenths and 10 ones. As you see, we only have 2 tenths and 4 ones. So the difference is 24. 30 minus 6 equals 24. There are only 24 girls in the class. Let's try column subtraction. 30 minus 6 equals. Step 1. The minuend's digit in the ones place is less than the subtrahend's. Regroup the minuend's tenths as 10 ones. Write 10 in the ones place. Now, step number 2. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Write 4 in the ones place. Now, there are 2 tens left in the tens place. Write 2 in the tens place. And our last lesson for today is about relationship between addition and subtraction. This is how we do the simple subtraction. Minuend minus subtrahend is equal to difference. For example, 33 minus 15 is equal to 18. 33 is the minuend, 15 is the subtrahend, and 18 is the difference. We can check our answer if it's correct using addition. For example, difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. For example, here we have 18. 18 is the difference plus 15 for the subtrahend. And the answer is 33. Just the same, right? It is equal. Find the difference of 48 and 23 and check the answer. So we have 48 minus 23 is equal to 25. Let's use the relationship between addition and subtraction to check the answer. Now let's use the difference, which is 25, plus the subtrahend, which is 23. 5 plus 3, 8. 2 plus 2, 4. The answer is 48. 48 equals the minuend. Therefore, the difference is correct. Another example. Find the difference of 39 and 23 and check the answer. So again, column subtraction. 39 minus 23 is equal to 16. Now let's use the relationship between addition and subtraction to check the answer. First, let's use the difference, which is 16. And then let's add the subtrahend, which is 23. Now look at the answer. It's 39. 39 equals the minuend. Therefore, the difference is correct. Now that we have learned subtracting numbers with a minuend 100 or less, with and without regrouping, as well as the relationship between addition and subtraction when checking the correct answer. Now we're ready to answer our activity book. Please answer your book on pages number 55, 58, and 60. Page 55. Find each difference using the column subtraction. Page 58. This is subtraction with regrouping. Find each difference. Page number 60. Find each difference and check the answer. Don't forget, use the relationship between addition and subtraction to check the answer. And that's all for today's lesson. I hope you had a great time learning with me today, and see you again to our next class. Goodbye!